Tesla Giga Berlin construction site keeps making impressive progress in July, friends. Today we have a new video from our friend Jurgen from Giga Berlin. He says major construction progress is going on at Gigafactory Berlin. Second cement mixing plant is in place. New fire protection walls set in the paint shop, and foundation work for the drive unit area continues. And you're seeing the partition walls that are going up at Giga Berlin. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, share our videos on social media that I appreciate very much, and also ring the bell so you may be notified when I upload my next Tesla story. As you are watching Jurgen's video, for which Jurgen, thank you very much, and thank you all our local friends who have been sending us these videos. So friends, if you as you're watching Jurgen's video, I'm going to give you some updates what has been going on in the past few days at Giga Berlin. Building a factory is a very difficult task, especially building a super factory like Giga Berlin. However, Tesla looks like revolutionized not only the automotive business but also the construction business, building its factories at a very fast pace. No wonder Elon Musk said that Gigafactory is a product, and I don't know, maybe one day Tesla also builds a Gigafactory or a factory for other companies, since now they have Tesla has this experience in making great factories at fast speed. So the fact is that Tesla CEO Elon Musk has always been distinguished by his ambitious goals. His unwavering desire to achieve them stimulated him to search for new approaches to solving problems of any complexity. Thanks to this, he achieved unique results by building a factory in Shanghai and putting it into operation in less than a year from the start of construction. When Tesla announced its plans to build a factory in Germany and start production in mid-2021, many people were skeptical. Unlike China, Germany has an efficient bureaucratic system which often plays against businesses, slowing down the construction, facilities for an indefinite number of years, and so on. Nevertheless, we'll take a look at Berlin Airport. I don't know if still in operation, although it's at some point it came very close to opening. So nevertheless, Tesla's well-designed plan and Brandenburg's desire to host an American automaker, electric car maker factory in the region bore fruit. The Tesla team in Germany quickly organized the entire construction process, and now we can see tremendous success at the construction site. 6 months ago, the site for the future factory, Giga Berlin, was a pine plantation, and today we can already see some outlines of the building. Last week, a concrete mixing plant was built at the construction site, which will produce the basic material that is required for construction at this stage. This plant will save a lot of time and money on the transportation of cement. Now, the construction process will not depend on the speed of cement delivery by cement trucks. So our friend in addition, trains constantly arrive at the site, bringing in other necessary materials for construction. A paint shop is currently under construction. As you can see from the photos and videos that are being shown, the building has already begun to take shape as walls gradually appear on site. This fast construction was made possible because of the portion walls for the paint shop is built from prefabricated parts. This method is very effective. Jurgen says the partition walls for the paint shop are delivered as prefabricated parts, among other things, by train, which is very efficient and environmentally friendly, and speed up construction progress. Soon the construction process will begin to gain an even faster pace. You know, we have seen this gaining even faster pace thing, friends, because when the forest, the plantation was fell, then we saw the faster pace of leveling it, and then when the leveling went, and we saw the faster pace of roads, and then the foundation, and then the construction, and now we expect the process will begin to gain an even faster pace. Additional cranes arrive at the construction site, which will be used for construction, of course. It was also noted that in addition to the first concrete mixing plant, the construction of the second concrete mixing plant, Jurgen says, is planned and is going to be installed. Tesla did the impossible, I think. It in partnership with the German government started to work with Tesla at Tesla's pace, at Tesla's speed. The company does not waste time, because of it would be equal to losing it, especially in a world where all automakers as well as the oil and gas industry crave Tesla's kind of defeat. Tesla's ability to force government to change deep-rooted but ineffective management practices make the company a winner. And I also have to notice, to the German government's credit, that there are a lot of people in the German government who have been very, very supportive of Tesla. In the local government and on the federal level, we have seen this, like Jörg Steinbach, who has been very supportive of Tesla. So things are going well, and you can see what is going on at Tesla Giga Berlin. Let me know what you think about this process and progress. What do you think is next after this? Those of you who are in construction business, thank you, Jurgen, for all these videos and materials that you have been providing. I appreciate that, and I'm sure our community at Torque News also appreciate that. Friends, let's show Jurgen your appreciation by liking this video, because he sent this video. And in the meantime, please continue watching the video. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. I would greatly appreciate if you would share this in social media, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on. And I'll see you in our next report. God bless you. Take good care of each other and your families, and have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you may be, whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening. And peace to all of you. See you soon, friends.